Galaxy ko.
Grabe naman yun. Wait lang. Teka, magpapatalo ba tayo? Ito ako ano. Okay, game. Game ka na.
Game.
Nato. Knocksbout ka ba?
Bakit?
Ulitin ko. Sabi ko, Knoxbolt.
What's up, Team Galaxy?
So, ang saya to be on stage, but guys, hopefully you guys can join me and let's have a seat naman. Gusto kong makilala, gusto kong makachika ang isang Belle, tsaka ang isang Donnie. So again, nakakatuwa. Iba ang energy here on stage, kinikilig ako. Baka...
Teka, paano muna to? Ganyan ba yan? Ayan, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay na.
Grabe naman yun. Sana all, direct, ready ba ako din? I'm just kidding. But yes, hello to our Bingo and Caroline! Congratulations on the success of Can't Buy Me Down. Grabe naman. Ako, I'm so excited to see the priceless finale. Kung pwede lang mag-request, pwede bang huwag na matapos? Diba? I'm just kidding. Pero bawal ang spoilers dito, guys. Here's a question that I want to know. If you guys were able to take photos around Binondo with your new Galaxy A55 5G, which areas will it be? Baka naman your fans might want to know.
Sa inyo ba? Sino ba nakapunta na ng Binondo? Everyone? Actually, it's so hard kasi ang dami talaga mga gandang places there.
Ito.
And with the Samsung A55 5G, like let's say when I take selfies there or when I take photos, I think what I love about it is yung object eraser. Object eraser, so if you want to remove something like unwanted photo bombers or other objects na ayaw mo sa photo mo, it's so easy to use.
Saan sa Binondo?
Sa bridge.
Pwede sa Hongkong Bridge.
Sa bridge. Hongkong Bridge.
Saan pa? Sa mga food areas, mga touristy spots. Tsaka yung malaking bridge na nagkuliglig tayo. Pwede rin doon. Nakatawag doon? Basta yung malaki. Sa breakwater doon.
Sa breakwater, yeah.
Ano? Ha?
Binondo Bridge, is it?
Binondo Bridge.
Binondo Bridge.
Tsaka yung favorite.
Binondo Intramuros Bridge. Yun, tama?
Tapos yung favorite kong gamitin yung photo remaster naman. Binling Bridge pala ang tawag doon. May bago na pala. Pwede. Okay yun na. Okay yung photo remaster kasi the moment you take a photo, when you put on the photo remaster mode, you can see the photo literally become so much more HD when you swipe it that way. So it's super nice to have, super convenient. And that's probably my favorite feature right now.
And also, you take, di ba ang daming food? Ang sarap mag-food trip sa Binondo. Ang sarap din picture ng pagkain.
Paborito na nga ito yung balot eh. Palagi na kumakain ng balot eh.
Minsan nga, pag pinipicturean ko yung pagkain, binibilangan ko din, 3, 2, 1, smile. So, swear I do that. Wala lang. Paano lang. But we all know how an amazing actress as Caroline Sibel Mariano. But of course, not only that, she's also a phenomenal singer. And as a singer-songwriter yourself, what helps you #create awesome, lalo na when you're writing your music? And how do you use your Galaxy A55 5G to enhance your creativity as an artist?
Wow. Siguro from a day-to-day basis, most especially when you're out and about, let's say there are really moments wherein, you know, my interest or my creativity just sparks. And whenever I think of something, I think A55 5G is the best partner when it comes to, like, let's say writing music, when I write down or jot down my notes, and when I think inspiration too, let's say there's a scenery I see, tapos that's where I take my inspiration from. Instead of mag-photos and, you know, just to be more updated to online, to social media, it has a smooth performance and immersive display, diba? And that's how I create #creative awesome music.
Yes. And well, we all know naman na syempre pag creative tayo, we wanna put it down kagad. Kasi kapag naisip mo na, sometimes we tend to forget, di ba? Lalo na when you're in the moment. But if you have a recommended Samsung Galaxy A series device and a feature, what will it be?
Siyempre para sa akin, lalayo ko ba tayo yung A55 5G? Para guys, matchy tayo lahat. Sino ba meron na yung A55 5G? Meron na ba bumili? Ayun yung mga yan, oh, nakikita ko. White din yung sa kanya, oh, galing. Okay, para matches tayo. And I also like that. Ano? Grabe sila sabi ko. Yung favorite ko yung dual recording mode. Yung nakikita mo yung sarili mo habang nagre-record para makita mo yung reaction ng iba. Yun, okay din yun.
Diba? I did mention to you guys the dual recording, diba? So kapag ikaw, you wanna take a quick video of yourself and then yung kasama mo, probably your family, your friends, or possibly your dogs, diba? Or your cats. But then yung favorite feature nilang dalawa yan, diba? So make sure that you guys try it out yourself. Ayan, say hello to all of our believers in the Don Bell Empire. So, kilala naman natin si Bingo na very romantic. Diba? So, may challenge kami for you both. May pa-challenge tayo. If may pick-up line ka for Bell, what will it be? Pero wait, there's a catch. There's a catch for this one. We want to record this moment para ma-capture natin yung reaction ni Bell.
Tama, i-record na.
Di ba, guys?
Ba't ganyan? Sige. I-record ko dito para makita yung reaction. Okay. Ako ba? Ako muna? Pick up line ba?
Yes. Sige nga. Pakinggan natin, guys.
Ting. Samsung ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ikaw Galaxy ko.
Grabe naman yun.
Wait lang! Teka, magpapatalo ba tayo? Ito ako ano? Okay, game. Game ka naman.
Game.
Nato. Knocksbout ka ba?
Bakit?
Ulitin ko. Sabi ko, Knoxbolt ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi I feel secured when I hear it.
explain ko lang guys what Knox Vault is. So these are the feature, or rather, this is the feature that you guys, that comes with your Samsung Galaxy A35 and Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. It is very safe. It can keep all of your files and photos. Very safe siya. So let's say maiiwan niyo siya sa beach, ganon. Safe yan. It already comes in your phone. You don't need to do anything. Once you turn it on, it's already turned on for you. Now for both of our nakakakilig na couple on stage, now that you guys have got your hands on the Galaxy A55 5G, how would you make nitong summer natin? Like, how would you guys make it the most of your summer?
I will go to the beach and take advantage of its water resistance. That's what I'll do, and and I think that's how I can create my awesome summer and also take a lot of photos talaga. I think it's the perfect companion talaga to create awesome memories.
Gusto ko makita yan. How about you, Donnie?
Okay rin yung beach no? Pero maganda rin mag-hiking, mag-outdoor na kahit ano.
Yes.
Kasi i-take advantage naman natin yung pagiging dust-proof ng cellphone. Kahit anong outdoor activity, wala akong takot na gamitin yung cellphone ko. Kasi alam ko it will last me not just the whole day, but the whole trip talaga. And I could take amazing photos, amazing recordings, still be in touch with whoever I need to be in touch with. Pwede rin mag-vlog.
Yeah.
Tama.
Diba? So sa lahat ng mga outdoorsy out there, yung mga favorite mag-hiking, it is perfect for that. Kasi totoo nga naman, medyo na, diba, yung dust or minsan nadudumihan talaga siya. So it's perfectly safe when you go outdoors. Now, do you guys have suggestions for your fans out there na how can they #CreateAwesome for the best summer yet? And of course, you guys can also invite them to get the latest Galaxy A35 or A55 5G.
Yes, to those of you na wala pang A35 or A55 5G, guys, I promise it's the best companion in taking photos. And to create your awesome summer, I think you should just take a lot of photos and post it online.
Baka. Tsaka ang ganda ng mga choices sa colors.
Yes.
Matching nga sa outfits natin yan. Purple. Hindi siya white talaga eh. Parang may pagka-purple siya. But yes guys, tama si Belle. If you guys haven't got the chance to purchase your A35, A55 5G, now is the perfect time kasi super sakto yung cellphone for summer. Lahat ng activities na pwede niyong gawin with this phone, and it will be the best companion sa lahat ng daily activities and engagements ninyo. So perfect yan.
Diba? Thank you, Donnie, and thank you, Belle. And that wraps up our awesome chat with our Team Galaxy ambassadors. Hopefully you guys can join me up here up front.